Hey y'all, you're always welcome at Memaw's house, where today we're making Peepaw's birthday cake. We're actually making Peepaw a lemon sour cream pound cake. Pound cake is his favorite, and we want to give him what his favorite is. I will list the ingredients in this video, and when you get to that section, go ahead and pause and read. We'll start by creaming our butter. It's a cup of butter that we will cream. We'll cream the butter first, and then we will add our sugar slowly. By adding our sugar slowly, it gives the butter and the sugar a chance to get some volume because we're incorporating air with that blade. Now, while I'm mixing the butter and sugar, I'm going to go ahead and crack 6 eggs. These eggs are at room temperature, and you know I always crack them in a separate bowl just in case I get shell in it and I can get it out and it won't be in my actual cake. See right there, that's what I'm talking about. Now I'm going to go ahead and sift my flour, baking soda, and salt. All of that is mixed in, and I want to make sure that I get good fluffy flour. Since the cake calls for a tablespoon of lemon peel, I'm going to go ahead and grate some lemon peel, and then after I get that lemon peel grated, I'll go ahead and cut that lemon so that I can get my 5 teaspoons or about 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Now I'm measuring out my sour cream, which is going to take the place of milk in this recipe. Since my butter and sugar has creamed and I don't hear the granules of sugar in the bottom of my bowl, I'm going to begin to add my eggs. 2 eggs fell in there, and that's fine. I'm going to beat it until that yolk is really mixed in well, and then I'll add my next eggs, one at a time. Now it's time to add the flour and the sour cream. I will start with the flour and end with the flour, alternating with sour cream. Let's scrape the bowl down so that we can have everything mixed in before we add our last little bit of flour. Now it's time to add the lemon juice and the lemon zest. And we just want to mix this until it is all mixed in or blended. And we'll add our lemon extract and we will be done. And yes, I did taste my batter. Okay, you know I have to clean up as I go, otherwise my kitchen will be tore up and we don't like that. Let's prep the pan and get it ready to go in the oven. Now we're headed to the oven that has been set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and the cake will bake for about an hour and a half. Okay, so Pepaw has cut his birthday cake. It is his birthday and we are celebrating. Ari's going to come on and show you what she thinks of the cake.
So we just got done celebrating Pepaw's birthday. He had a nice steak and a really good wedge salad, and this is going to be a really good dessert for it. So got a nice piece of cake here. I'm going to try it. It's really moist. You can really taste that lemon because Memaw put lemon zest and juice, and it's so good. You guys should definitely give this a try. Good job, Memaw.
Thank you. Taste testers are always ready to help, and they were very helpful today. So this is Pepaw's bowl with strawberries and ice cream and cake, and he deserves it. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all be blessed.